Cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT, is a type of therapy which aims to help change your thinking in order to change your behavior. CBT has been proven through research to have an effect on anxiety and depression. Using a CBT worksheet for anxiety can be very helpful to a patient since it helps individuals identify and challenge negative thoughts and behaviors that contribute to their anxiety. This worksheet can be used in a session with your patient or as a standalone resource for those who are unable to attend therapy sessions. These worksheets are intended to assist people in recognizing and changing negative thought patterns as well as developing healthier coping strategies. The CBT worksheet follows this format. First, describe a situation that triggers anxiety in you. It could be a social event, an upcoming test, or general fear that you are experiencing. Scale that feeling from 1 to 10. How anxious does the situation make you feel? And then write down the thoughts that come to your mind when you encounter the triggering situations. List the behaviors you show. What is your physical response? Do you experience sweating or shaking? Any compulsive behaviors? Now challenge your negative beliefs by thinking of more realistic alternatives. Identify the emotions you want to feel in response to the situation. These may include feeling calm, confident, or relaxed. Try come up with alternative thoughts that are more realistic and less anxiety-provoking. These thoughts should challenge the negative beliefs you have about yourself. Identify the alternative emotions you would like to experience in response to the situation. Have an alternative behaviors list. These are the behaviors you would like to exhibit in response to their alternative thoughts and emotions. And lastly, create a plan of action. What's your plan of action for dealing with your anxiety in these situations? Write down the specific steps you'll take to manage your anxiety and achieve your goals. To find the CBT Anxiety Worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform and find the template section. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. At our Carepatron platform, we also have a range of other templates and worksheets you can explore to use with your patients.